cold start video on a 1961 red black 230 horse Corvette. This car's a little dusty. It needs a quick clean real quick. Hey, it's been sitting up here in the showroom for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. Haven't moved it. Hey, it never unhooked the battery, didn't have a battery charger on it, nothing. And you see, that was the first time I started it. Jumped in it, fired right up. Battery wasn't dead. Pumped the gas twice and away we go. So, hey, this is a very, very well sorted out car. It's nice 61. Nice and quiet. I think fits lines up good. Nice straight down the sides. Chrome's pretty nice on it. It's just a little bit of dirt. Car in front of it. Soft top's good. The only flaw I've seen in the whole soft top is right here. Hey, if that's a deal breaker, I will get a new soft top installed. You can pick any color you want, white, black, hey, tan, whatever you want to do. So I'll get it up on a lift, get you pictures of it here in a couple minutes.